안녕하세요, this is Jia. It's getting hotter these days and I need to make summer kimchi. There are varieties of summer kimchi and today we'll be making non-spicy cabbage kimchi. Let's chop up the cabbage. Today we're using 1 head of cabbage. I want to split this in half. Okay. The root part, you want to remove it. Cut this in half. This is the simple form. Kimchi is a name of a dish, but at the same time, it means a technique to how to preserve the vegetables. So depending on the season, there are many techniques to make kimchi. Today we're making summer kimchi, which is considered one of the easiest, very simple recipe. Let's wash the cabbage and then we're going to move into the next process. So I washed the cabbage twice and then now we're going to brine the cabbage. You'll need about 1 cup of coarse salt for 1 cabbage. So I'm going to just pick about 1 handful of cabbage and then sprinkle generous amount of salt. And don't use table salt because it's gonna get too salty. The salt is going to pull a lot of the moisture out of the cabbage and it's going to make it very crispy. Let's add about 2 cups of water so that the salt easily dissolves. Okay, it's salted with some water and I want to put something heavy on the top so that it can easily get brined. So I have a bowl of water and then push down and we're gonna set this aside for about an hour. Till now, let's make a sauce. We're going to use 2 paprikas to make the spicy kimchi. So we're gonna cut this in a chunk size pieces. So we're not using the seeds. So take this away. Let's put all of this in a blender and we want to season it with about 1 tablespoon of salt and we're using red onion today. Half of the onion we're going to thinly slice. This half we're going to just put in a blender. We need to use 1 cup of vegetable broth. You can use any vegetable broth that you can easily get. Today, this is a broth stock that I made from the kelp, dried kelp. So you want to add 1 cup of kelp stock and then let's just blend it. Okay, now I want to add garlic and ginger to it and then blend it again. I'm using 5 cloves of garlic and a few slices of ginger. Just add to it. Okay. Okay, it's done. Pour this to the bowl. So we want to add vinegar, honey, mix, and this is totally optional. This is paprika powder, red paprika powder. Gives more color. To give more color, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. The sauce is basically done. We're gonna put this aside for about 15 minutes. Okay, let's check the cabbage. It has been exactly 1 hour. It's very well salted, brined. We're going to quickly wash in running cold water and then remove excess water from the cabbage. Good. It's rinsed in cold water to remove the excess saltiness, and we're gonna drain completely and then toss with other vegetables. The only thing that we need to do is cut the green onion in small pieces. Okay. Now, let's combine everything all together in a bowl. We're using red onion because it's not as strong, it's not overwhelming like white onion. Okay. This is spring onion. Just dump in everything all together in the bowl. And then let's mix it. Let's put this in a container now. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Once you make this kimchi, probably you will get almost addicted to it. So delicious and crunchy. And since it's not spicy, everybody can enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.